In employment discrimination litigation, the concept of similarly situated is a critical hurdle for plaintiffs seeking to prove that they were treated differently due to a protected characteristic such as race, gender, age, or disability. This term refers to employees who are alike in all relevant ways to the plaintiff, but who were treated more favorably by the employer. The goal is to establish a baseline for comparison, demonstrating that if not for the alleged discrimination, the plaintiff would have received the same treatment as these comparators. The precise definition of similarly situated can vary depending on the specific facts of the case and the jurisdiction, but generally, courts look for employees who are directly comparable in all material respects. This typically involves a multi-factor analysis, considering elements such as job duties and responsibilities, for one. Do the employees have similar positions, responsibilities, and duties? Significant differences in job roles can make it challenging to draw a meaningful comparison. Next, supervisory structure. Do the employees share the same supervisor or have their employment status determined by the same decision maker? This is often a significant factor as different supervisors may apply different policies. Performance and disciplinary history. Do the employees have comparable work performance evaluations and disciplinary records? An employee with a history of poor performance or misconduct may not be considered similarly situated to one with a clean record, even if other factors align. Next, qualifications and experience. Do the employees possess similar qualifications, experience, and skill sets relevant to their roles? Differences in these areas can justify differential treatment. Next, conduct and circumstances. Were the employees involved in similar incidents or engaged in comparable conduct that led to the employer's decision? For instance, if an employee was disciplined for a specific infraction, a comparator would ideally have committed a similar type and severity of infraction. It's important to note that similarly situated does not mean identical. Courts recognize that an exact match is rarely found, and the focus is on whether a reasonable person, looking objectively at the incidents, would consider the individuals in their situations roughly equivalent. The more similarities that exist between the plaintiff and the comparator, the stronger the argument for disparate treatment. Successfully identifying and presenting evidence of similarly situated employees is often crucial for a plaintiff to establish a prima facie case of discrimination, shifting the burden to the employer to articulate a legitimate non discriminatory reason for their actions.